County Councillor Pat Davis, Cabinet Member for Housing within Pembrokeshire County Council. I came into post 2 years ago, and as a new administration, we realised that there was a great need in Pembrokeshire to build council homes that would be fit for the 21st century and built of good, sustainable quality. I am absolutely delighted that we have now reached that stage, and the following video is a display of where we are with our first development of 33 homes in Johnston.